Hi everyone, it's me Nawa Sharifa and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do a purple cow eyeshadow look. As you can see, my face is done. And I'm sorry, my brain's just not really functioning well today, so excuse me, but yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so like I said, my base is done and whatnot. I'm just gonna go ahead and start doing the purple cow eyeshadow. Okay, I am just going to use the same round eyeshadow brush, the small round eyeshadow brush. And I'm gonna take this shade of purple. Just gonna stamp and put it on my eyelids. Okay, so if you didn't watch my last week's video, then go watch it. But I mean, if you have, this is basically gonna do the same thing, which is just like put all over my eyelids, and I'm just gonna like stamp it. I'm not gonna blend it or anything. Something like that. I'm gonna put more. Okay, I think that's a lot. I mean, like, that's nice. I'm gonna do the same here. Okay, so it's done, and as you can see, it's just like really overload, and I'm just gonna let it be overload like this. Next, using the same brush, I'm taking a dark purple and just blending the edges here and kind of creating a wing with it. But I'm gonna be careful with this one because it's really dark and I don't want to look like I have swollen eye or something. And blend in circular motion. This is what we're getting. Don't worry about like all the excess like this that we don't want. We could just conceal it later. Just create like a nice wing to the shape of your eyelids. And then to the rest, like in front here, make sure you blend in circular motions so that it's more natural looking. I mean, none of this is natural, obviously, but yeah. And then do this side. I'm gonna put more on this side. And add more again. Okay, now this is what we get. It's a bit messy, but I guess trust the process. I don't know. But yeah, this looks good so far. Then I'm taking this round brush and I put some white eyeshadow just to do a cut crease. I'm not using a concealer, I'm using a white eyeshadow. of like this, but I'm gonna put more here. Okay, basically like this, and I'm gonna do on this side. Okay, so this is what I get after the white eyeshadow. Next, I'm just going to take the same small brush, and with the first shade of eyeshadow, just going to lightly blend the sides just to give it color, like a border. Yep, but it's not perfect, so I'm just gonna trust the process. Then on the white again, the white void on the white section, I'm just going to draw using eyeliner, like cows, like I'm just gonna go close up. Oh my god, I didn't see anything. Yes. I love it so much. Oh my god. I mean, if I do this, it's not really, but if I do this, it's nice. Okay, I'm just gonna do it here. I'm gonna try to do it nicely this time. I like this side better. Ooh, okay, that's really nice. Okay, I'm gonna like erase the eyeliners on this side first, and then I'm going to redo it. Okay, so I fixed it. Now I'm just going to redo it again. Done. Let me fix this a little bit. Done. Okay, this is really cute right now. I love it. What else should I add to it? I think this is it. There's nothing else I could do. Okay, I think I will clean the edges and put some purple eyeshadow under here. My eyes hurt. Now I'm just gonna put minimal eyeliner on my eyes. Just draw a thin line. Much better. Ta-da! This is the final result. I'm gonna be honest. I love it. I just love it. It's so cute. Oh my god. Okay. Anyways, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Don't forget to like my video and leave a comment if you have any suggestions, ideas, requests, or feedbacks. Please let me know. So it's getting dark, so the lighting is a bit off. But yeah, Where was I? Right, if you haven't watched any of my previous videos, you can go to my channel, check them out. Just go to my channel. Don't forget to also follow me on Instagram. My account link is in the description box below. So yeah, go ahead. What else? I think that's all. Don't forget to share with your friends, your family, and all. I can't wait to take pictures of this. And yeah, I love it so much. Oh my god. I honestly have nothing to say. Like I'm just speechless. This is really good. Anyways, that's all. Have a great day, guys. Bye.